Good evening, ma'am. I'm Arnold F. Cortez Jr., Bachelor of Science in Criminology 3, and I'll present to you the parts of how to process the barrels in ballistic. Drilling. Drilling is a process of manufacturers that made a structure of steel bars which they drilled from end to end to make it a steel pipe. So, sa drilling, ma'am, is which they considered as they considered as kuan ini drilled steel bars into pipe which is kuan siya, which is involved siya para sa yung naghimo siya ng barrel sa isa ka firearm or hadyo. Framing it remove the scars left at the drilling steel bars hadyo is which is rimming na easy to understand naman sa kuan audio para ma-remove ang mga bilin-bilin ng mga drill sa ilong ng steel pipe na imuong para sa barrel ng isa kapasili. Class characteristics is manufactured of a gun that easy to determine the uses of firearm. So, ang sa class characteristics, ma'am, is yung bisan uno yun na kuang pusil, in which case na easy na siya ma-identify ng manufacturer ng class characteristics sa firearm is tungod na niya on na parts kay dali na siya ma-involve, such as barrel or kuan or rim, barrel or bullet or cartridge pa or etc. Individual characteristics can be determinable as the manufacturer of the firearm has determined that the firearm was his own manufacturer or etc. So, sa individual classification is an firearm na easily to identify the siya firearm, which is siya na firearm is gikan yan siya nga na manufacturer or nga da siya na kampanya hadyan etc.